What's up, everybody? I hope y'all are doing well. My name is Anthony. You're watching Palmetto Prepared. Now today we're back in the kitchen and it's going to be a real simple, quick, easy video. Now I've been making deer chili, or chili in general, since I was about 12 years old. I've been doing this for decades. And the best part is you can just switch in whatever meat you may want. I've done this with deer, elk, turkey, pig, beef. I mean, it's interchangeable basically, and the best part about doing a chili is because since you are using a tomato sauce, if you did happen to kill a buck that might have been a little older, you know, for the trophy thing, but you still want to eat him, and he's got that wild taste to him, the acid in the tomatoes does a really good job at trying to, I say trying to, it actually does. It covers up that, you know, wild taste to it. So it's actually pretty good. You don't even really notice the fact that you're eating a buck, you know, since if you have eaten, you know, a buck and doe, you know, there is a difference. They do taste different. So this is one of those recipes I like to do because if you do have some of that ground meat that does taste a little wild, you can make something like this and it'll easily tame it so your family can eat it, your kids especially, since they might be a little bit pickier of an eater. So let's go ahead and show you the the materials you're going to need to do this. It's real easy. Now, a side note here, you don't actually need to use onion. If you wanted to use like a granulated or a dry onion, you could totally do that. I like using a fresh onion just because that's just the way I am. And you don't have to use a garlic either. You can use a garlic salt. I use fresh garlic and fresh onion because that's what I grow. Now, if you are in a scenario, like a long-term scenario, you want to make this stuff out of all the long-term storage, just keep that part in mind. You could totally do this with dried onion and garlic salt, and then just whatever meat you may have happened to kill hunting, then boom, same principle here. So don't think that you have to have like fresh everything to be able to do this. Not to mention also, if it is summertime and I'm making this, or you know, early fall when I still have a lot of peppers, I like to throw those in here too, but I'm already out of those. I ate them all already, so that's why I'm stuck with this. So let's keep going. And just for the record, here's a little fun life hack for tomato paste. Cut off both sides. I don't know who's, like, if you know, if I'm the one that does this, but I just cut off both sides. And you take off this one, set it to the side, and then push this one through. Congratulations. Super easy. Now you get your beans. I use kidney beans and pinto beans, and I wash them first, because I don't trust what they can those things with, so I wash all the juice off, put them in a colander and rinse them, and then I put them in. All right, there you have it. It was super easy, super quick. You know, it was very tasty. My wife loved it. She doesn't even like deer, but she still ate that all day. And I have a whole bunch of leftovers. Now, when I put them in jars, I got 3 quarts out of it, and I just processed them like I normally would for an hour and a half at 11 psi. Since I'm at, you know, a lower sea level, I can get away with it. I don't have to worry about going higher. But like I said, an hour and a half last night. Got done probably about 11 o'clock at night. Let them cool all day, and here they are in the morning. We're good to go. Now I have 3 quarts for most likely going to be 3 meals for me and my wife. 3 days worth, because, you know, add this with rice or whatever. And hey, that's good, you know, for long-term food storage. I like doing this, like I said, because I'm in a hurricane zone, and not to mention I just had a tree fall in my house, so power may not always be there, and I don't want to sit there and be at the mercy of my freezers just in case, because you can totally freeze this too, but I don't want to lose all my good meat because I didn't consider canning them. So that's why I'm canning everything I can, just in case the power does go out. I still got food. But if you learned something from this video, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will catch y'all later, okay? Bye.